from very hot Pleasanton with what happens when the AC breaks. Juliette?
That's right, day 2 of this, and luckily there's a breeze right now, but when the AC breaks, normally pre-pandemic, you would call someone to repair it. Well, what do you do now? Yes, repairmen are essential, but also their safety measures are just as essential right now. Day 2 and the heat is still on, but as for this homeowner's air conditioning unit, it turned off. A predicament during this pandemic. You almost think, should we get this fixed or should we just wait this out?
It would have been difficult.
You balance it, you wait out what needed to be done.
And that meant calling a service company to get it repaired. While Service Champions is an essential business, it means entering homes.
Well, we've always had a lot of safety precautions even before COVID. We've just taken it to a different level, looking to protect our clients.
Kevin Comerford, owner of Service Champions Heating and Air, says the priority calls are the senior citizens who are sheltering in place and in some cases sweltering.
They need air conditioning now. It's not something you can mess around with. So again, it's super important that they're calling a company that's taking all the precautions and have all the PPE equipment that we're all supposed to be having.
In addition to our normal tools, I also need some gloves to make sure that I'm protecting clients. Obviously, we need some face masks to make sure that we can interact with people as safely as possible. We also wear floor savers, so anytime we go into somebody's home, we can make sure we cover up our boots. And we also lay out a floor mat whenever in front of somebody's front door.
And the sound of relief couldn't have come soon enough. A tripped breaker in this case, possibly an overloaded circuit.
All right, well, job well done.
Thank you.
Also, some handy advice, maybe some cost-saving advice from Service Champions. They're saying if you notice that your air conditioning is blowing warmer air, double-check the filter. It may need to be replaced, and that in and of itself could actually help things out. Also, a side note, they're hiring. They said that they are extremely busy during this time of year, during this pandemic. They will pay for training. They will pay for safety precautions as well. In Pleasanton, Juliette, Goodrich, KPIX 5.